Hi everyone, it's 2:30 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 8:30 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, luto ng aking baked tilapia. Grabe guys, ang laki-laki ng tilapia na nabili ko guys. Oh, super laki niya talaga guys, hindi mo talaga kayang anuhin guys. What we call that? Prituhin, nakakatakot. Katakot siya prituin guys dahil sobrang niyang laki, baka matilapon. So eto guys, luto na siya guys. As you can see guys, parang ang sarap-sarap ng aking baked tilapia. Ang sarap nito guys, maparami na naman ang ating kain nito guys. I'm sure mapaparami na naman tayo sa kain nito guys. Ayan guys, luto na guys. Ayan. Grabe guys, ginatikman ko yung sauce niya. Sobrang sarap talaga guys, promise. So, syempre guys, kapag ganito yung ulam guys, natural guys, pag ganito kasarap ang ulam, rice is life. And as usual guys, may pa-flower si Papang. Ayan guys, kain tayo guys. Babush!